Hello everyone, my name is Bhumit Sagatia from College Dunya. Today I am at LJ Institute of Pharmacy College, Ahmedabad. Today we are having with Mr. Jaimin Patel sir. He is the Assistant Professor in Department of Pharmaceutical Technology. Hello sir, welcome to our education portal College Dunya.
Thank you.
So start with the interview sir. My first question is, how does the curriculum of LJ Institute of Pharmacy ensure the best practice of industry?
Okay, according to my opinion, LJ Institute of Pharmacy perform the different activities. Okay, like pills is there. Okay, pharma credentials is there. Okay, by this activity, we try to connect the students to the industrial persons. We try to explore the students to the industry. Okay, that in the pills activity, we invite the persons, okay, resource person from the industry. That resource person discuss about the industry. They share their knowledge to the students. So on the basis of that, student come to know how the academy and industry is linked to each other. Okay, there is the gap. Okay, we know that there is the gap between the academia and industry. Okay, so our main role, our main motto is to reduce that gap between the industry and academy.
Very well said, sir. On that note, my next question is, what do you think your roles and responsibility to the institute and the students are?
According to my opinion, our responsibility is not just to teach the students. Okay, teaching is our prior responsibility, but apart from teaching, okay, we should guide the students, we should mentor the students. Okay, we should know what is the capability of the students and how that capability can be explored by the students, okay, in futures. Okay, so according to my opinion, our main responsibility toward the students, that is to guide, to provide the perfect path in the future.
Very nicely explained, sir. On that note, my next question is, what would you like to people to know about your institute they may not know?
According to means, I want to say that things people know about the academic excellence of the LJ Institute of Pharmacy. Okay, in the GTU sites, okay, everyone know that the LJ come in top 5. But other things that I want to say, that is the research potential. Okay, LJ has a different resource persons, okay, different faculties. That faculties is potential in the research activity. Many research articles that is published by the LJ faculties. Okay, so I want to say that things, the research potential of the LJ is excellent.
Very nicely explained, sir. So my next question is, what do you see as LJ Institute's greatest strength?
As we told in the previous question, okay, our director, that is the Dr. K. Puntrikakshudu sir, okay, is the dynamic research persons. Okay, they guide us continuously, and we totally means we are gaining the many knowledge from our director sirs, and we continuously perform the research activity, and we try to invent new and new products. We try to generate new and new research activities. Okay, so our 5 products that is produced by the LJ Institute of Pharmacy. Okay, so our research potential, okay, according to my opinion, our research potential is our greatest strength.
Very well said, sir. So jumping to the last question, any suggestion you would like to give to the current youth and aspiring students?
Yes, okay, according to my opinion, okay, current youth, okay, is according to youth is spoon feeding. Okay, according to my opinion, nowadays in 11th-12th science, okay, continuously spoon feeding is provided. Okay, important questions is provided. So now youth currently should focus on research activity also. Okay, it should not focus only the educations. Okay, they should involve in all the activities. Okay, only to score the marks. Okay, that is guided by the school teachers. Okay, only to score the marks is not the ultimate goal. Okay, ultimate goal is to explore in all the directions.
Thank you so much, sir, for giving such informative information about your institute. Thank you so much for being a part of College Dunya, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.